Hopefully y'all can hear me a little better, man. The wind done calmed down a little bit. I don't know where to start, man. This car been a gift and a curse. I done had it for about 4 years. You looking at my 2012 Fisker Concavo, 24-inch Forgiato Concavos. I'm running 255, 30, 24s all the way around, man. This is it. Some people don't know what it is. Some people do. It's a hell of a car, man. But I done had my ups and downs with it. I had it for about 4 years. Check it out. I'm running 5% all the way around. 35% on the windshield. I'm late with the review. Hey, little dog. Little dirty on the inside, man. And, no lights. Besides, I got a tire pressure monitor light on, man. One of my sensors went out. I changed it. I think with Fisker, you got to get it reprogrammed. And the thing is with Fisker Karmas, man, it's only, at least I only know of 2 service shops in my area. It's the one in Philadelphia, and it's one in Georgia. I took my car to both of them before. I actually had to get it towed there because it is a little hike. This is it, man. It's a little dirty. 2-tone insides. Got the battery running down the middle. And this is it, man. What can I tell you? I got about 37,000 miles on it. When I originally bought it, it had only 9,000 miles on it. So yes, I definitely done drove it over these past 4 years. And I got stuff back here, excuse it, chargers and whatnot. Show y'all the other side, then we can talk about it. 255 30s all the way around. It's a pretty unique car, man. I don't know if y'all can hear that. That's the sound it makes because it's quiet. When you go over 30 miles an hour, the sound goes away. But this is it, man. I done had my fun with the car. I'm over it now. Like, I done got everything fixed on this car. We got a diagnostic coming up, and that's 9 times out of 10 is my battery key fob is dying. So yeah. I done replaced everything on this car, from the muffler. The muffler was $2,000, man. It's the one that comes on the 2018 Guerreros. A fan went out. The fan was about $800. Mind you, this is not including labor, and nobody knows how to work on these cars but Fisker. So if anything goes wrong on this car, it's a hassle because you have to get your car sent to the service center, and it's a guy named Joe, Fisker of Philadelphia. They're now called Fisker of Mainline. Any problem that I have with my car, it's an inconvenience. I can't take it to nowhere. I have to send it to them because there's no manuals on how to fix this car. So if you're looking into one, take that into consideration. Anything that was possibly went wrong on the 2012s when they first came out, went wrong on mine, man, and I fixed everything. I had the battery issue. My car stopped charging. Fixing that alone was like a $6,000 issue. Like I said, the muffler went out. The muffler was $2,000. The fan was about $800. I put all these miles on it, man. Honestly, I haven't needed brakes. I haven't needed rotors. The car is a good car, but it has this little, what's the word I'm looking for? It has this little tweaks and stuff that you'll be like, why is this car doing this? Like, I done ran across where my screen will freeze. The screen will freeze. I can't use nothing. I got to turn the car off, pull over, blah, blah, blah. So it's a good looking car, man. It's just not a car that you drive every day. And when I first got it, because it turned so many heads, I was driving it a lot, hence the 37,000 miles that I have on it now. Outside of that, man, in the past year, I probably only drove the car 2 or 3 times. It sits in my garage. I just reduced my insurance on it. I got tired of paying for a car that I don't drive, so my insurance company worked something out with me. It's a collectible, man, but I'm over it. I'm quite sure if anybody who owns a Fisker Karma, they'll tell you the same thing. Like, if they had the issues I had, it's a good looking car, but owning the car becomes a hassle if you're not near anybody that could work on it. Outside of that, man, this is it. I'll give y'all another view of it. Any questions, man, leave y'all comments, subscribe to my channel, check me out. I appreciate y'all for checking it out. Once again, a 2012 Fisker Karma EcoSport 24-inch Forgiato Concavos. Have a good one.